Welcome to our basement. This is what lives below us, under our house. I wanted to make a quick video because this will never be the same again. This is the end of an era. First video on YouTube, but the last time that we're renting out our basement on Airbnb. So we rent our bus on Airbnb, and we've been renting the basement on Airbnb for like 3 years now. And it's one of the main reasons why we bought this house, because we saw the potential for this to be like a sub unit. So what I'm in right now used to be the garage, and we totally renovated it and demoed it and fixed it up and made it into a little space. And so this little Airbnb has occupied a huge portion of our like thoughts and time and energy over the last, I think it's been 3 or 4, 5, I don't even know how many years. I'll check after I'm done recording this. But we've decided to shut it down because we're on baby 3 now, and there is a lot of thumping that comes through the ceiling. And we're just tired of trying to be quiet. We're just gonna let loose and go wild. So we're just gonna be renting out the bus, and this is gonna become like a family space, and then the back corner is gonna be my office, hopefully a permanent office. I've had an office in all 3 rooms of the house so far. So this will be the next spot, my fourth office move. But I wanted to make a video just kind of showing what it looks like now, because it won't ever look like this again. And to just remember this space and to be grateful for this space. It's paid for our house payment for the last, we've never paid a house payment. The basement has done it for us. So it's really given us a lot of financial freedom. For me quitting my job back 3-4 years ago, this was a big piece of like, we know at least we'll have this amount of income if your business takes a minute to kind of make any money. We'll live off basement funds and eat beans. But yeah, we're grateful for this spot, and we've learned a lot through Airbnb hosting. And I hope to host more, to do more, to get more properties or build more tiny houses, or do a shipping crate. Do a shipping crate, a bus, a tiny house, and a yurt. Just do one of each. We'll do a tiny house compound. But I'll just show you guys around a little bit and point things out, kind of how we remodeled it. And I got my Black Magic and my Ronin. I'm gonna do some B-roll action. So let me take this. I can't take this off. I'm drinking tea. We ran out of coffee right after having a 3rd baby. Can you tell? Do I look tired? Very awake. Okie dokie. So here's the tripod. Here's the front door. Got our secret code on the outside for our Airbnb guests. And it's raining like crazy today, but this is there. We made so this was all a driveway out here. Into here was the garage, and it was so small and narrow that even my Subaru Impreza, I hit the walls a couple times while I was trying to come down here. So we're like, we're not really using this as a garage anymore, so let's do something with it. So the garage came to like right here, and then this was all finished living space back in here. And so really all we did was added plumbing and a little bit of electrical. We put in this concrete countertop here. My buddy Neil actually did most of this work with me, for me. I watched him do it, and I learned how to do things from him. So he made a mold for this countertop, and I grinded it down, and we filled in the holes with some cool colors. And our sink, and then this beam here is the cross beam that went above the garage door originally. So we just turned it into our little open countertop situation. Little floating shelf up there. We've got our dining room area. It's really a small, it's a basement apartment, so it's small. It's for 2 people. And then you walk in here and you've got yourself your living room, your couch that we got on Amazon when Leo was not born yet. We sat down here, there was a wall here. Joy and I sat here and we played Rayman on the, is it an Xbox or a Wii or something? And that was the first time we used this couch. We're like, you're pregnant, let's buy a couch. So we bought one on Amazon and they shipped us a couch. And it's barely made it through its 5 years as an Airbnb couch. Little bed in the corner, a pumpkin. Got our movie collection. Here is the bathroom. This was just a closet. And so we had to tear some walls out here. And we built this little sink, threw that on top, and then just put a shower in. The hardest part was going through the concrete floor to dig in a sump pump to shoot it, not a sump pump, but like an ejector pump. You can do like a 50 gallon, 5 gallon, 15 gallon, I don't know how big it is, bucket. And so all the plumbing goes in and it shoots it up because our actual plumbing is like right there. That's where our out pipe is. So our toilet, this is our plumbing from upstairs, the spider right there. So this was the biggest remodel side. But then over these stairs, you've got, it's kind of dark. Let's see if I can get a light on. You've got our, the bedroom. We squeezed a king size bed in here. Super cozy. There's a little window. You can see our, what is it? Compost back. Little table for hanging out. Little nook. This will be my office. So I'll be exiled into like the furthest depths of the house. But yeah, that's kind of the basement. We got our books right here. Look at that. There they are. So yeah, that's a little tour of our basement. I don't know if anyone cares, but that's it. So thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about Airbnb, we're happy to answer them. We're super hosts. It's kind of a big deal. Been doing it a while, and it's awesome. Everyone who has a house, I'm like, you should just rent a room out, do something, make money on what you have. Rent out your van, rent out your bus, rent out your basement, rent out your pants. Do whatever you need to do. Make some side money. So thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, like it. Give me a thumbs up. It makes me feel good. And if you hit subscribe, then I can quit my job and be a full-time YouTuber. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.